This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the Epic Games account is linked to the Microsoft profile you plan to change. This avoids losing Fortnite progress. Once done, sign into your Xbox One profile and open settings so you can access your gamertag controls immediately. Make sure you know whether this is your first free change or a paid rename. Microsoft shows that during the process. If you haven't set up an Xbox Live profile, create one now so the rename option appears under your account settings. On your Xbox One, go to the guide, then Profile and System and Open Settings. This navigates directly to the account area where gamertag changes live. Select Customize Profile and choose Change Gamertag. Type the new name and let the system check availability. If available, confirm the name. If not, try variations until one passes. Make sure to review the preview and any fee notice, because once accepted, the change may apply immediately across Xbox services and link to Fortnite. After confirming the gamertag change, close and restart Fortnite so the new name syncs with Epic servers. This ensures your in-game display updates. If Fortnite still shows the old name, sign out of Epic and Microsoft on the console, then sign back in to force a refresh. Unlinking and relinking accounts can help, but do that cautiously to avoid progress issues. If the rename failed or you were charged incorrectly, contact Xbox support promptly and provide transaction details so they can resolve billing or propagation problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.